if YouTube has gifted me something, now it is time for me to gift you something. Excuse me, what is that? Of course, everybody, I should give you something, right? Come on. Hi, everybody, excuse me, I'm pretty excited today. And before I tell you why I am excited, let me tell you something. Excuse me, I will not tell you. I will thank you. Thank you from the core of my heart. Your support has made me achieve so many things. But today, the achievement that I have had today, it is really incomparable. It is really, oh my goodness. I have something in my hand. Can you guess what it is? My goodness, we have 3 YouTube silver play buttons. But this one is quite special. Let me unbox today. For the first time, I'm showing you guys. Come on. How can I open it? Oh my goodness. Yeah. My goodness. Thank you. Wow. This is something here. Woohoo! My goodness. Silver play button. My goodness, Muhammad Kaf 33. This is my own YouTube channel. And let me tell you, I created my YouTube channel in 2018 on 23rd January. Oh my God, it's been 8 years. I really worked hard for this. When I was in my village, I used to dream one day I would get. Oh, this one is quite a small one, right? I mean, earlier YouTube used to give bigger size of silver play button. But I don't know what happened. They are giving us now a small one. Whatever it is gift, right? So thank you so much, everybody. My goodness. I'm really so happy today. So if YouTube has gifted me something, now it is time for me to gift you something. Excuse me, what is that? Of course, everybody, I should give you something, right? Come on. जब मैं सच में यार मेरे पास शब्द, मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है आपको धन्यवाद करने को. My goodness. 1000 सब्सक्राइबर करते करते कसम से महीने बीत गए थे. साल में कहूँगा. जब 1000 हुआ तो लगा यार एक वक्त आएगा जब मेरे पास 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर होंगे. वक्त तो बहुत लगा, 8 साल लगा 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर होते होते. उससे पहले भी यूट्यूब चैनल पे हम लोग विल टॉक पे आज मुझे लगता है 6 लाख प्लस है. विल टॉक प्रोग्राम पे 1 लाख प्लस है. बट ये सबसे पहला यूट्यूब चैनल था मोहम्मद कैफ का. आई रियली वर्कड हार्ड टू गेट दिस. इट्स बीन 8 years but I got it. The credit goes to you guys. Thank you so much for letting my dreams come true. अब एक तोहफा आपके लिए. वो तोहफा ये है, 2 तोहफे. I will give you 2 gifts. The first gift is that you are invited for a podcast with me. You can sit down here. You can sit with me. You can have words with me on a purpose. Podcast with trainees on a purpose. Podcast with trainees on a purpose. Come with a purpose. Have words with me. We together will have operation, having communication. So you are invited from the core of my heart. And the second gift, excuse me, come on. If you are watching on YouTube or you are watching on Facebook, if you want to join our English speaking class online, I will give you offer 20% off. Come on, 20% discount. And starting 10 admissions, the fees is 0 rupees. Come on. I'm going to start one batch from 1st of August. If you want to be the part of that batch, starting 10 admissions are free of cost. Come on, hurry up. Contact on this number. Get enrolled and be the part of our online session for English speaking, everybody. Again, thank you so much, everybody. Okay, yeah, Junilal, what happened? Yeah, come on. अरे अभी कैमरा चल रहा है क्या? बंद कर दो भैया. Thank you so much everybody. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. If it is day, have a nice night. If it is night, join the session as soon as possible. Come on. I will provide you quite great sessions so that you could be a great communicator. You could be a confident speaker. Excuse me. Come on. Do join right now. And if you are the part of these 10 admissions, you'll get free of cost as well. And if you think you are able to communicate, you are able to convey message, you want to add values in people's life, then come here in Will Talk studio of podcast. Sit here with me and have words with me to add values in people's life, having a purpose. Bye bye.